Well, good morning, everybody. I'm back in Pittsburgh to help Glenn. Glory and Wendy will be coming over. Glenn's at Home Depot, and I'm going to, some of the nails popped up on the steps here, and I'm just going to grind them off. So if somebody's in bare feet, it won't cut their feet. It didn't pop up much, you can't even see it, but when I got down yesterday to help Glenn, I could feel it. So let's carry on. I'm just going to change the blade. Supposedly this paint is one coat is all you need. However, I'm going over where I think there's going to be a problem and might need 2 coats. The Bondo's dry, so I'm going to sand it. Not the best sanding pad. All I have right now. Alright, I found a better sanding pad. Okay, when it rolls, when he puts the paint on with the roller, that'll even look better. I think it'll be a lot easier to take this off the wall, paint it, and then put it back up rather than paint around it. Let's hope there's anchors in the wall. If there's not, then we'll paint around it. And there's no anchors around. There's no anchors in there. The lady must have put it up with the renter. So much for that. doing my best in the closet here. Again, you can't take these off because there aren't any anchors. So as soon as you try to take this off, then it pulls out of the wall and makes that hole bigger. So I'm just painting around this whole thing. It's so dark in here, it's a little hard to, tell. But I'm doing my best.